Meaning of groyne.
groyne,
Groyne.
groyne,
Groyne. A groyne is a long, narrow structure built from the shore out into the sea or a river in order to prevent erosion of the coast or reduce sedimentation in channels. They are typically made of wood, concrete, or stone and are placed perpendicular to the shore. The groyne interrupts the flow of water and causes sediment to accumulate on the updrift side, which can help to build up the beach. However, groynes can also have negative effects by disrupting natural sediment transport and altering patterns of erosion and accretion along the shoreline.